When using a gas grill, make sure the connection is tight, and of course, the valve is open wide. To fuel this grill, I'm using Blue Rhino propane. You can see here I have melted unsalted butter over the side burner. Take a flour tortilla and brush one side with melted butter. Sprinkle it with granulated sugar and turn it upside down. First ingredient is dulce de leche, which is a milk caramel, and spread the dulce de leche over the unbuttered side of the flour tortilla. Take a ripe banana, peel it, and thinly slice it. Then arrange the banana slices on top of the dulce de leche. And because this is a quesadilla, it needs cheese. The cheese I'm using is called queso fresco. Crumble it and sprinkle it on top of the bananas. You've got salty, tangy cheese combined with sweet bananas and sweet dulce de leche. Next, spread more dulce de leche on another tortilla and place it on top of the bananas. And brush the top of the quesadilla with more melted butter and sprinkle with more sugar. And finally, grate fresh cinnamon on top of the quesadilla. And let's make one more. That's all there is to it. Now back to the grill. I can see the grill has thoroughly preheated. 1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi, ouch. So, a couple swipes with the grill brush. This grill's pretty clean, but it's a good habit to stay in. Next, we'll oil the grill grate. And because sugar tends to stick, it's very important to oil your grill grate well. To transfer the quesadillas to the grill, you can use a pizza peel. Instead of sprinkling it with flour or cornmeal, sprinkle it with sugar. Then transfer the quesadilla to the peel and slide the quesadilla right on the grill grate. And you'll want to work fast because the tortillas burn quickly. You can give each quesadilla a quarter turn and check the bottom to make sure they brown evenly. So when it's ready to flip, we'll just turn the quesadilla over. Oh, look at that. That looks great. What's happening here is the butter and sugar melting together to create a crisp caramel crust. Again, keep these moving. And once the quesadillas are browned on the bottom, slide them back on the pizza peel and transfer to the cutting board. So here's your other dessert quesadilla. I'll transfer this quesadilla to a platter, and this one we'll just cut in 1/6. It's a little messy. It's supposed to be messy. Take a bite. The buttery crisp tortilla, sweet bananas, that sweet milk caramel. This is outrageous.